Hi everyone, welcome to Sanctuary Farm in Gower. Dav Spear here from Smith's Homes in Swansea, and today I'd like to introduce this 5-bedroom detached beautiful property in a fantastic area. In the heart of this property, we have this beautiful country-style kitchen with granite worktops, a stunning Aga and access onto the rear garden. If you're looking for a multi-generational property, something that you can really adapt to, then this is one that you need to look at. We've got 4 reception rooms and plenty of bedrooms upstairs, but downstairs we've also got a private wing which has got its own bathroom, bedroom and additional living space as well. We're on the first floor now and it's a substantial footprint. I thought I'd show you the gallery landing which we're standing on now with vaulted ceilings, exposed beams. The property itself dates back as early as the 12th century. So the property is full of history and full of exposed features like this. We're situated in the garden now, and as you can see, it's a substantial one. By the drone footage that we've already shown you, it's a beautiful sized garden with a wraparound patio to my right, big driveway and gated access to my left, which leads to the garage and the garden that we're standing in. Behind me, we've got a couple of ponds as well, which lead into Penrice Woods. The area this property is situated in is an area of outstanding natural beauty with miles and miles of coastline walks, bridle paths, and walkways that will just take your breath away. So if you're interested in visiting this property, viewing it with me, I'd be delighted to speak to you. Contact me, call my office. The number is on the screen. I'd be delighted to have a chat with you and book you in. Register your details now and I'll see you soon.